In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts, and to add a contact, select Add Emergency Contact. Then tap on the chosen one, and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of them, click on this Remove button next to your contact. Lastly, make sure that this option, Show Info when locked, is enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!